Hey guys, this afternoon I'm replacing a pickaxe handle. This handle that was in here snapped off quite a while ago, and in order to get the handle out, rather than wrestle with it, I had a campfire one night and I just threw this in there and burned the old handle out of it. So today I'm going to replace the handle so I can use this tool again. So I went out, I picked a handle, I tried to find one with, a decent grain, not a ton of knots in it. And pickaxe handles, not all of them, but many of them don't have a spot for a wooden wedge at the end. Simply for the reason that the simple act of striking the pickaxe causes the handle to tighten in the head each and every time. So it negates the need for a wedge. So we're going to go ahead and get this in. Get a good idea how that's seating on there. We're probably a little under a 1/4 inch proud. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and tap this on there a few more times, and then I'm just going to cut off the excess. I'm actually going to leave it as proud as it is there, which is, I don't know, I would say maybe it's damn near flush in a couple spots, maybe a 1/16 of an inch in others. So I'm content with that. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to lightly sand the entire handle just to eliminate imperfections created, during handling and shipping and so forth. And then I'm going to apply some boiled linseed oil to this to seal it and protect it. Okay, our handle has been lightly sanded, and I have my boiled linseed oil. I'm just going to apply this to it, in this case a heavy shop towel, and just rub it all over the handle. Be sure not to forget the head of your handle. There you have it. I'm probably going to put half a dozen coats on this thing. And periodically as the years go by, as I use it, I'll reapply as needed. While I have all my stuff out, I have an old axe here. Let me show you. I have this old axe somebody gave me, and it sat outside a long time. You can see how weathered it is. It's got some dry rot on it, things like that, but it still has its integrity. The handle's not in bad shape. The bit itself is tight on the handle. So I'm going to go ahead and just give this a light sanding and do the same thing with the linseed oil. I want to thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.